Okay, what we have here is a electronic lock device system that has both a driver and a passenger side unit on it that actually for a Ferrari 412, and they were sent to us due to non-operation of the driver's side unit. Our customer was lucky to find a passenger side motorized unit off of a Lamborghini that was identical. This one having a burned motor in it due likely to moisture. We are not absolutely sure of that, but of course these are in the door and subject to weather. So the driver's side unit that we have now repaired is actually just a 2 microswitch sensor that relays through its wires to the passenger side unit to operate. And this also has an interesting microchip in it. What is it called?
Norgate.
A Norgate.
Quad Norgate.
Yeah. Electronic device that we studied and determined in this actually was good. We've got it operating now. Now I'm going to hand it over to Matt, who is going to demonstrate the operation after repairs.
All right, so basically this just gets moved in and out, which will then cause that to move in and out. So here we go.
Let's go down here. Okay.
And it just clicks like that. It doesn't stay in any one position except out. It comes in and comes back out in every movement of this side on the driver's side.
Okay, great. So although we could repair this assembly here, given its rarity and what have you, we're going to leave it to be repaired at a later time because this Lamborghini unit is doing the operation just fine. These were never designed to come apart. We had to literally cut it open with a knife in order to look at its components, and that obviously can cause other problems. But we've overcome them now, and we're going to reseal the body of this unit for further use. So you can see that they're operational, and we thank you for your time.